How to send and receive text messages from computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can send and receive text messages from computer. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser in your computer and in the search bar type in messages.google.com/web. Then head towards the first link on your interface. You will land on this piece here. There will have an option as pair with QR code. Click on it. After that, you will see this kind of interface in your device where you have the QR code. Now all you have to do is, on your mobile device, you have to open up the Google Messages. There, tap on the profile icon at the top right, and from the options, tap on device pairing. Now there you will have an option as QR code scanner. Tap on it and scan the QR code on this device. Paste this QR code from your mobile device, and once you're scanned, you will be logged in to your account in the computer, and now you can send and receive messages on computer through Google Messages. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.